Alright, we're here for break number 233. This is 2013 Topps Museum Collection, 2016 Topps Legacies, and 2017 Leaf. History of Baseball Cut Signature. Still trying to figure out this last box. It's had some kind of odd cards come out of it. Still looking for a really good one. It's not crazy expensive.
Yeah.
What's up, Jeff? How are you? Videos posted. Got your teams up. What do you guys want to break first? Or what do you guys want to break last? First three comments. First three votes wins, or best 3 of 5. That's good, Mike. I'll make sure you don't get fined. I'll tell the financial department. History of baseball first. Last museum. Oh, this is confusing. Legacy last. I'm confused by the votes. I messed that one up. How about that order right there? Let's do this history of baseball box. Mike's not in the break. What are you doing, Mike? Throwing out votes. Alright, everybody, good luck. This is 2017 Leaf. Alright, I didn't get that seal yet. Let me do this real quick. Your teams are here. It's updated on the main post. If something is wrong there, I need to know. Alright, this is going to have one slabbed card. It's not graded. It's a check is what it is. This one is Gaylord Perry. That's an interesting one. Numbered 64 out of 99. Did I freeze for everybody else? My video shows me still going. Anybody else tell me if I froze? We're going to have to look at Gaylord Perry. The rules are stated. Retired players, they go to, if there's no team specified. Just double checking that there's no team there specified. He goes to the team that he contributed the most to. He played with the Giants from 1962 to 71, Cleveland from 72 to 75, Texas from 75 to 77, and finished up with Padres, Rangers, Yankees, Braves. Wow. This guy wouldn't give up. He had his career high in innings at the end of his career in San Francisco, and he contributed most to the Giants according to baseballreference.com. If there's any argument, I'm willing to listen, but it was only Cleveland for 3.5 years. It's the Giants. San Francisco Giants. This card is going to Danny Delfendahl. He was on everybody's team at the end of his career. Year of team on check. Well, the rule states retired player, if there's no team specified, it goes to the team he contributed the most to. And I'm not seeing a year either. So there's no other information to help us on that one. So yeah, that one's going to, who did I say? Delfendahl. Congrats. Topps Museum Collection. This one is 2013. Jay, well, I don't blame you. You got your, I think you said you wanted Indians. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. We've seen more than a few where both teams get hits. Museum Collection has 4 mini boxes. Each one has a pack of cards. Each one has a hit. And we hope it does. Mike, you gotta meet him. What kind of guy was he? I haven't pulled a card like that signed check. That's pretty cool. The trash man must hate me. We do put out a lot of trash. The problem is I haven't been throwing away the boxes. I keep putting the empty boxes in the garage. My wife hates me for that part. First card, Derek Jeter for the Yankees. This one numbered. I can get my sleeves ready. Derek Jeter is going to Mark Serlin. He is numbered 329 out of 424. Next card is the hit. And this one is split between the Giants and the Braves. Matt Cain, nice triple patch, quad patch of Buster Posey. Jason Hayward on the bottom right and John Smoltz on the bottom left. That one will be a virtual coin flip between Danny Delfendahl and Jeff Berry. It's a cool looking card. When we are done here, we will randomize that card between the two of them. Next card is for the Phillies. Roy Halladay going to Zach Schmitz. Another Derek Jeter for the Yankees. Going to Mark Serlin. And Alex Rodriguez of the Yankees going to Mark Serlin. Was the quad numbered? I didn't look. I was too busy looking at names, wasn't I? 56 out of 75. Alright, mini box 2. Kind of cool going back and opening up the older ones. Yesterday it was an older one in 2014 where he pulled the Cal Ripken. Can't see anything, Brandon. Is that what we're talking about? Troy Tulowitzki on the Rockies, numbered 424. Going to Mike Marecka. Bert Blyleven of the Minnesota Twins. That one going to Jeff Courtney, on-card autograph. Did he get into the Hall of Fame? Blyleven. Or was he on the ballot? This one is numbered 13 out of 199. Cool card. Next one is a Canvas Collection. Was that Tony Gwynn? Yes, it is. Tony Gwynn of the Padres. That one going to Austin Moore. I'm not sure of their rareness, so I'm going to give you a top loader just to be safe. Next card is Willie McCovey for the Giants. That one going to Danny Delfendahl. Harmon Killebrew, Twins. Going to Jeff Courtney. And we're moving on to box 3. Give me 20 seconds here. I gotta blow my nose. Alright, mini box 3. Mike wishes he could catch fire. You haven't cooled off yet, Mike, have you? You better be careful. You don't want to jinx your hot streak. Alright, this is pack 3 out of 4. 2013 Museum Collection. Albert Pujols for the Angels, number to 199. Going to Sean Lista. And the hit is Starlin Castro. 2 patches on that for the Chicago Cubs. Going to Mark Serlin. That's a pretty card. Triple color patch on the left. Both of them game used. Number 30 out of 50. Nice hit. Oh, there it is. Dylan Bundy, rookie, Orioles. David Parker. You were skunk late night, but wasn't that a six card break? Al Kaline, Tigers. Babe Ruth, Yankees. That one going to Jeff Courtney, the Tigers card. Going to Sean Lista. And Dylan Bundy was going to David Parker. Alright, last mini box of Museum Collection. The last break, that might have been baseball. I don't remember what we did. I think we did a Legacies box mixed with something else. And I think it was the worst Legacies box we've ever seen, that I've ever seen. So I don't think you missed out on much. Ty Cobb, Tigers, number 3 out of 99. Going to Sean Lista. I need some top loaders. Alright, let's give Ty Cobb a home. And pull out this. Last hit is Devin Mesoraco for the Cincinnati Reds, number 5 of 20. Huge bat relic there. Not a crazy thick card. This one for the Reds is going to David Parker. There's a big piece of bat. Top certified jumbo lumber relic card. That's pretty cool. Alright, last couple non-hits. Tom Seaver, Mets. Going to Tony Leslie. For the Giants, Buster Posey. Going to Danny Delfordall. And King Griffey Jr. For the Mariners, going to John Picone. Alright, Legacies coming up. Legacies has been my favorite box. I'll repeat it. A lot of you have heard it. Some of you are new. Some of you haven't seen them yet. But these boxes have been really good to me. Really good to us as a group. Been sending you guys out some big hits. I hate to overhype it though. Because last night was the first real dud we had of it. Alright, I'm going to flip this over. First card, Aaron Nola for the Phillies, numbered 8 out of 70, rookie. Going to Zach Schmitz. Next card is Juan Gonzalez for the Rangers, on card autograph numbered 6 out of 199. That was a pretty cool one. Going to Jeff Courtney. The metal card of the box for the Cardinals, going to Mark Serlin, is Ozzie Smith. This one is numbered 36 out of 50. That's a lower number than usual. Usually those are numbered to 135. Alright, and the last card is A.J. Pollock for the Diamondbacks, numbered 19 out of 199. That one going to Jay Moore. So the Legacies, I don't know, that's two kind of weak ones in a row. Juan Gonzalez is okay. I don't know much about Pollock, but that box cooled off a little bit. I've got a few more. We'll see if we can find some good ones out of there. Good cards in the break. Let's random that card. Giants on top, Braves on the bottom. Figure out who's going to take that one. Giants and Braves. And good luck to you guys. I'm going to roll for 4 or more. I got a 4. Giants on top, Braves on bottom. 1, 2, 3. Good luck. 4. Giants have won the virtual coin flip. So that card will go to Danny Delfendahl. Like, we have kind of been spoiled. But, you know, they can't all be crazy. Some of you got some good cards out of that. And a cool quad patch. Giants and Braves. Let me write. Delfendahl. Getting that card. Ozzie Smith was the metal card. Yeah, Jay, the Giants were kind of hot there. Sorry about that. Sometimes that happens with the trade. Sometimes it doesn't. Juan Gonzalez was the other autograph out of Legacies. Big back card of Devin Mesoraco. Bert Blyleven for the Twins. Starlin Castro with Cubbies. That one was numbered 50. And then we had the piece of a check of Gaylord Perry autographed. That one going to the Giants. Top loaded. Non-hits and the base cards. Alright guys, football will be next. That should be up in the next 15 to 20 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. So see you then, or see you later. Do I have any more 2014 triple threads? No, Mike. That's the only one I picked up. I just thought it'd be cool to try it. Like, this is the only 2013 Museum Club I bought. I got a 2014 Stadium Club. I can't remember on that. It might be a cheaper break. I got more Legacies. I got a couple of 2016 triple threads. I still got 2 of the 2016 5 stars. National Treasures. This baseball, I think the next baseball break, we're going to work that one in. So after the football break, we're going to do a break, this one, just one baseball. Be like a bonus onto the break. It'll raise the price about $3 a team or $3.50 a team or something like that from the whatever the boxes are. So that's all, guys. See you then. See you later. 102. Bye bye.